In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email automations in Squarespace. If you've been wanting your emails to send themselves at the right moment, like after someone joins your list or makes a purchase, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without getting lost. Start by heading to your Squarespace dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Campaigns section. This is where all of your email marketing lives, and it's the central hub for building, sending, and tracking your messages. Go ahead and click Campaigns so we can open up the tools we need. Inside Campaigns, select Automations. This area is dedicated to creating email sequences that run based on triggers and timing you define. Think of it as the control center for hands-off communication, so you can welcome new subscribers, nurture leads, or follow up after key actions without manual work every time. Next, click Create Automation at the top right. That button starts a new automation and opens up your options. You'll see that you can choose a pre-built automation or create one from scratch. Pre-built options are great if you want a proven structure like a welcome series without having to piece it together yourself. Building from scratch gives you full control if you already know the exact flow you want. Once you select a template, you'll see its structure and flow laid out visually. This view helps you understand the starting trigger, the sequence of emails, and any timing in between. Take a moment to scan through the layout so you know what's included. You can usually click into each part to see what it contains and how it connects, which makes it easier to confirm the automation matches your goals before moving forward. From here, select the email template design and continue with the creation. This is where your brand comes to life. Choose a design that fits your style, and feel free to adjust colors, fonts, and layout so your messages look consistent and professional. You can swap in your logo, update images, and personalize the text so it speaks directly to your audience. Keep things clean and readable, and make sure the content aligns with the purpose of the automation you picked. And that's all. You've navigated to Campaigns, opened automations, created a new automation, chosen a template, reviewed its flow, and selected your email design to continue. Squarespace will guide you through the remaining prompts, and you'll be ready to put your automation to work.